Today I am going to tell few words about Kanakadasa. Kanakadasa was born in the year 1509 at Bada village near Bankapur and Haru district. His real name is Kanakanayaka. He belonged to a shepherd family, but his devotion and wisdom made him great son. Kanakadasa was a follower of Lord Krishna and disciple of Vyasa Tirtha. He wrote many beautiful kirtans and yoga bhagavats in Kannada. A famous story him connected with Udupi Sri Krishna. When he was not allowed to enter the temple, he sang devotion from outside. Lord Krishna alone turned around. Kanakadasa saw the small through window, now called Kanakana Kindu. Happy Kanakadasa Jayanti. Thank you.